Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we delve into the financial landscape as the S&P 500 CAPE suggests weak 10-year real returns, while Nvidia is poised for a potential revenue surge, with Jefferies forecasting a $3 billion beat in Q2 estimates. The U.S. government plans to end summer blend gasoline requirements early to help curb rising pump prices. Meanwhile, Morgan Stanley predicts gold could soar past $5,000 by next year. In market news, Trump sets an ambitious target of 1,000 space launches and Micron anticipates growing AI demand. KE Holdings reports non-GAAP EPADs of 42 cents beating expectations by 11 cents with revenues aligning at $3.6 billion. Bitcoin continues its sharp rebound as the crypto rally gains momentum, and Friday's biggest stock movers include Rost and MSTR among others. Additionally, Nvidia is reportedly considering a deal with Korean AI chip startup Rebellions. Stay tuned after this short ad break to learn more about these stories and their implications for investors and markets alike. The S&P 500 is trading at a Shiller cyclically adjusted price-to-earnings ratio of 41.37, suggesting potential weak returns over the next decade. Analysis indicates an annualized real return of negative 2.6%, with a range from negative 3.8% to negative 1.4%. Historically, higher CAPE ratios correlate with lower long-term returns.
Jefferies predicts Nvidia will report a record revenue of $95 billion for the second quarter of fiscal year 2027, surpassing the $92.07 billion estimate. Third quarter revenue is expected to reach $108 billion, exceeding forecasts by $4.3 billion. The Vera Rubin system's impact will grow significantly in future quarters, enhancing Nvidia's market position and efficiency.
The Trump administration plans to end summer blend gasoline requirements early to increase fuel supply and lower prices. Beginning September 1st, the Environmental Protection Agency will permit the sale of a higher Reid vapor pressure winter blend. Gasoline prices have averaged over $4 per gallon since mid-July.
Morgan Stanley reports that gold prices have reached $4,450 per ounce faster than expected and could exceed $5,000 by 2027 amid volatility. Factors include strong central bank buying, increased demand for exchange-traded funds, and concerns over fiscal risks. Gold futures rose to $4,516.30 per ounce on Thursday.
Stock index futures increased on Friday following a Wall Street sell-off. In key news, Trump targets 1,000 annual U.S. space launches by 2030. Micron Technology reports strong demand for AI-driven memory. Delta and Aeromexico's joint venture withstands a legal challenge. ChatGPT is now integrated with Apple Messages on Mac. South Korea plans to establish a semiconductor tax fund for future tech investments.
KE Holdings reported second quarter earnings of 42 cents per American depositary share, exceeding expectations by 11 cents. Revenue reached $3.6 billion, a decrease of 5.7% compared to the previous year but aligned with forecasts. The gross transaction value increased to $137.6 billion, marking a 6.3% rise from last year, primarily due to an 8% increase in existing home transactions. The number of stores and agents saw a slight decline, while mobile monthly active users averaged 45.7 million, down from last year's 48.7 million.
Bitcoin is seeing significant ups and downs, bouncing back to approximately $77,900, an increase of over 6% today. Its market capitalization surpasses $1.5 trillion. Stocks connected to cryptocurrency are also climbing as optimism builds around U.S. crypto regulation, and a large short squeeze clears $2.7 billion in positions.
Stock futures rose slightly as markets attempted to recover from Thursday's decline. MicroStrategy shares increased by 10% due to Bitcoin gains, while Ross stores surged 9% on strong sales. OSI Systems fell 14% after missing revenue estimates, and Aveanna Healthcare dropped 9% following a secondary share offering.
Nvidia is in early discussions with South Korean AI chip designer Rebellions for a possible collaboration, investment, or acquisition. Nvidia's CEO recently met with Rebellion's CEO in California. These talks are still in the preliminary stages. Rebellions is valued at $2.3 billion and plans to list on the Korean stock market next year before pursuing a U.S. listing. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Join us again on Monday for more insights. Until then, stay informed and inspired. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Good night for now, until we cross paths again on Monday. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.